What if I told you that someone with zero coding skills, no design experience, and nothing more than a laptop could start a real online business today using AI? It sounds almost unbelievable, but it's happening right now. People all over the world are using simple AI tools to build income streams from scratch. No expensive setup, no years of training. And by the end of this video, you'll discover exactly how beginners are launching AI-powered businesses with no skills, and why this opportunity might not stay this easy for long. We're living in a moment that feels a lot like the early days of the internet. Back when websites first became popular, the people who learned web design early suddenly had a huge advantage. The same thing happened with social media marketing. The people who understood the platforms early built agencies and personal brands before everyone else caught on. Now, the same pattern is happening again with artificial intelligence. AI tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and automation platforms are spreading faster than almost any technology we've seen before. Businesses everywhere know AI can save time and increase productivity, but most of them don't actually know how to use it effectively. That gap between businesses needing AI solutions and people who understand the tools is where beginners are finding opportunity. One of the simplest AI businesses people start is content creation. Businesses constantly need written content for blogs, websites, email newsletters, and product descriptions. Before AI, writing this type of content required hours of research and drafting. Now, AI tools can create strong first drafts in minutes. Beginners are using these tools to speed up the writing process and offer content services to businesses. A small company might pay $100 for a blog article. If you complete just a few articles each week with the help of AI, the income starts to grow surprisingly fast. Another huge opportunity is social media content creation. Many small business owners know they should be posting regularly on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok. The problem is that most of them simply don't have the time to think of ideas or write posts every day. AI can generate captions, content ideas, hashtags, and even short video scripts within seconds. Beginners are turning this into a business by offering monthly social media content packages. For example, someone might create 30 posts for a business each month. If you charge a few $100s for that service and manage several clients, the income can quickly become steady and predictable. Graphic design used to be a skill that required years of experience with complicated software, but AI tools are starting to change that completely. Today, beginners can create digital artwork, marketing graphics, posters, and thumbnails with AI-powered design tools. Many people sell these creations online as digital products. For example, printable art, planners, and design templates are popular items on online marketplaces. Once the design is created, it can be sold again and again without additional work. That means one piece of content can generate income multiple times. YouTube is another area where AI businesses are growing quickly. Every day, new creators launch channels, but many struggle with writing engaging scripts for their videos. AI can help generate outlines, hooks, and complete scripts that creators can turn into videos. Beginners are offering script writing services to YouTubers who want to save time and publish more content. Depending on the niche and the quality of the script, a single script can sell for $50, $100, or even more. When you combine AI assistance with basic editing, writing scripts becomes much faster and easier than doing everything manually. Some people go a step further and build businesses around digital products created with AI. These products might include ebooks, planners, guides, or prompt libraries designed for specific audiences. For example, someone might create a productivity planner or a collection of prompts for small business marketing. AI helps generate ideas and content quickly, while the creator focuses on organizing and polishing the final product. Once these digital products are published on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, they can continue selling without constant effort. Another opportunity many beginners overlook is helping local businesses use AI. Many small businesses know AI is powerful, but they have no idea how to implement it in their daily operations. They might struggle with writing promotional emails, creating social media posts, or responding to customer questions. Someone who understands a few AI tools can help automate these tasks. For example, you might help a business generate marketing content every month, or set up systems that make communication faster. Even working with a few local clients can create a stable income stream. Behind all of these AI business ideas is one simple but powerful skill: knowing how to communicate with AI effectively. This skill is often called prompt writing. AI works best when you give clear instructions about what you want. A vague request like "write something about marketing" will produce a vague response. But a detailed prompt that explains the audience, the tone, and the structure will produce much better results. For example, you might ask AI to write a beginner-friendly article about productivity tools with practical tips and a conversational tone. Learning how to write strong prompts dramatically improves the quality of the output. Of course, beginners sometimes make a few common mistakes when starting AI businesses. One mistake is relying completely on AI output without editing it. AI is great at producing drafts, but human review is still important to ensure the final result feels natural and accurate. Another mistake is trying too many business ideas at the same time. It's usually more effective to focus on one type of service, improve your workflow, and build experience before expanding into other areas. Consistency often matters more than complexity. Another thing that separates successful beginners from everyone else is communication. Delivering work on time, responding quickly to messages, and understanding what a client actually needs can make a huge difference. Clients often care more about reliability and professionalism than about how advanced your technical skills are. When someone trusts you to solve a problem consistently, they're much more likely to keep working with you. The reason these AI opportunities exist right now is because the technology has advanced faster than people's understanding of it. Businesses are still learning how to use AI effectively, which creates a window of opportunity for individuals who take the time to explore these tools. Over time, more people will develop these skills, but right now, the field is still relatively open. The main takeaway is simple. You don't need advanced technical skills to start an AI-powered business today. What you need is curiosity, creativity, and the willingness to experiment with new tools. AI can act like a productivity partner, helping you complete work faster and create opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to go deeper, check out the next video where I'll show you some powerful AI tools beginners can start using today to build their first online income stream.